today I'll be doing the new TXT album. It took quite a while, but at least it's here now, so I'm very happy and excited to open them. So without further ado, let's get it! I'm just gonna take them out. This is just a sticker from the place I got it from. Oh my god, they're so cute! So this is the Dream Catcher Eternity. And oh my god, I got some freebies! That's so nice of them. And then we have the Dream Catcher Eternity. Oh, they're both the same. I'm guessing... Oh yeah, this is the port and this is the starboard. So we have this, and then for the freebies, I got Subin and Taeyeon. Oh my god, both of them are so cute. And then I got this big photo cards. It's Unikai and Yoonjun. Oh my gosh. Okay, so for the album, okay, I'm gonna start with the white one. For the white one, I really like how it came with a lock and a key. That is very unique. And I almost lost the key. And I really like the quality. Like, that's sturdy. And then we have the key, the lock for the, that's really unique. So let's open that up with this key. So I'm guessing if you lose the other one, you have this extra spare. So, oh wow, that was very unique. So put this on the side and open. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, they're so cute! I like that galaxy or like midnight type of background. That's cute. We have Bongyun. I'm sorry if I'm butchering the name. Very cute. Oh my gosh. It's in the bed. That's so cute. And then now we have Unikai. I believe he's the youngest, yeah. He's the maknae of the group. But he's so tall. Oh my god, he looks so young here, so cute. I feel so old just looking at them. I'm like their big sister. Oh, that outfit is just spot on. And then we have Subin. Oh my god, Subin is so cute here. Oh my gosh. And then another group photo. And then we have Taeyeon. Oh my god, I like his red hair. Oh my gosh. And then we are still Taeyeon. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh my god, they're so cute here. This is just so, ooh, this is interesting. So we have like some sort of photo and little notes from them. Ooh, I'm guessing this is a photo card, so I'm just gonna save that for the end. I don't want to spoil myself. Ooh, Yoonjun. The yellow hair looks cute on him. Like, he really pulled this off. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, I think this is my favorite photo. Oh my god, they just look like an angel here. Oh my god, that's so cute in that transition. I guess you could write on here because it has that lines. Oh my gosh. Bongyun. No, oh my god, you're so cute. And then we have Unikai. Oh my god. And then we have Subin. Oh, they're all so cute. I just can't choose. Oh my gosh. Ah. You have Taeyeon. I really like him too. He sounds so good whenever he sings. Then we have Yoonjun. Oh my god, you're so cute too. Oh. They have that chemistry, it just draws you in. Oh my gosh, that's why I started liking them a lot. Oh, that's so cute. And then I'm guessing the songs. And then the backs are just the lyrics for them. Yeah. Oh, that's cute that they included the lyrics so that the fans can sing along. Oh my god, that's the cutest thing ever. Oh, that is cute too. Oh my gosh. I can't. Are you serious? This is so cute. And then we have Yoonjun at the end. And that's what. And this is a CD. Oh my gosh. Cute. Okay. Now for the exciting part, I wanted to see who did I get. So flip. What is this? Okay, it's like a postcard. That's cute. And then what is this? Oh, I think this is a sticker. Oh, it is a sticker. Oh my gosh. Like you could design your phone with this, or you could just stick it in your diary album. Oh my god, that is so cute. Okay, moment of truth. I got Yoonjun. Oh my god, that's so cute. Okay, and then we have this big photo card. 1, 2, 3. I got Taeyeon. Oh my god, that's so cute. He has a sleeping face and an awake face. And then for the last one, oh, oops. This is this two. I thought this was a photo card, but I got these two. That's so cute. Now we'll be opening the port Dream Capture Eternity album. So it's a purple one. Keys. So we have the key. So let's see. We have 2 keys here, the same as the white one. And then just gonna open this. There you go. So it's unlocked. Sorry about my dog. So I'm gonna be opening it. Ooh, I like this purple vibe. So I feel like this is more of the pastel one. The white one was more dark. So we have them on the bus. That's cute. Ooh, that's so cute. They're so cute here. And then I saw this before. Oh my god, they're so cute. We have Bongyu. I'm really sorry for butchering the name again. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm liking this more than the first one, actually. Oh my gosh. And then we have the group again. Bongyu and Yuninkai. And then we have Yuninkai. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, they're like the baby in the group. Oh my gosh. Then we have Yoonjun in the picture and Soobin. Oh, that's so cute. Then we have the group again. I'm liking the vibe here, actually, a lot. It's just so lovely looking, the pictures. Oh. Then we have Soobin. Oh my god, I'm liking the hair. The leader. And then this is the photograph, so I'm just gonna save this last. Then we have Taeyeon. Oh my god, he's so cute. I like his hair here when it's all fluffy. Then Yoonjun. Whenever I see a video of him in Instagram or picture, he's just so stylish and he is rocking that yellow hair. Oh, they're all smiling and happy. Kinda all. And then I'm guessing this is a planner because it has the days of the week. so cute. And then you can also write on the bottom. Now there's on the bus stop. That's so cute. Comment down below who's your bias wrecker and what's your favorite song. I really like the fairy shampoo. That one was so cute. Oh, that's so cute. You can write on here. I also like the song Can You See Me? That one was really, really cute. I like their dance there too. It was unique. Actually, it's cool. Really, really cool song. Oh, it kind of went dark a little. This is really, really a unique photo concept. And then this is the end. You have the song list here. The drama was so cute too. Like, so those are the lyrics. I'm guessing. Can't You See Me is spot on. Very unique song. And then just the other song's lyrics. And the internally lyric. And then I'm guessing this is like a short letter from each of the members. I'm trying to learn Korean little by little. I'm learning the alphabet. Oh, you think guys so cute. Then we have Subin again. Then we have Taeyong. And lastly we have Yeonjun. Oh my god, he looks so amazing here. With that hair. Oof. And that's it. And then we have the... Oh, it's also purple. Wow. The purple CD. That is so cute. Okay. So, last but not the least, we have the photo card. Oh my gosh, I got Subin. Oh my god, I love his hair here. He looks so mature. I don't know. He looks so good. Oh my gosh. So we got Subin. And then this is the same thing as on the other album. It's like a postcard. And then the sticker. Oh my gosh! I have Bunya. Oh my god, they're so cute. And then this is just a big hit QR card and the sticker actually. Oh my god. That is so cute. Overall, I really, really like the album. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.